there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download Instagram voice message. So to do that, I'm heading over to the Instagram application. Once there, I'm heading over to the DM section on the top right. And then heading over to a message. So in here, I'm just sending a voice message. So as you can see, I have sent a voice message, but if you want to download the voice message, you can just keep tapped on it, and as you can see, there is no option to download or save the voice message as we do for our videos and pictures. So there's apparently no form of downloading option, but you can always use your phone's voice recorder. Use it in here, the screen recorder. Just turn on your voice message and turn on your screen recorder at the same time, and the voice message will be saved with your screen recorder. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.